Hello there. In this video we're going to show you how to make a chart as its own sheet. So when it says putting it on a new sheet, reference really means for it to not just be on a separate sheet, to be on a sheet by itself. So here in this workbook, the chart has been placed in a new sheet called Sales Analysis, but we want it to be the entire sheet. So what we do is we simply right-click on our graph. We choose Move Chart, which is also available up on the ribbon. And then we click on New Sheet. Now, since we've already called it Sales Analysis, we're going to call the new sheet Sales Analysis 2. We're going to hit OK. There it is, all by itself on a new sheet. We'll go over here, delete the original sheet. Come back here, rename this by double-clicking. Sales Analysis. And there you have it. Life is good. Take care.